been coming to the Natatorium for about 4.5 years.
I come 3 days a week. We try to swim a mile. It's lots of fun.
Swimming just makes you feel great.
When it closed, it was sad, but it was in need. I could tell that.
This facility is almost 24 years old. This is the first time we've really been able to shut down the facility and do a deep clean. We did a complete pump room renovation, replacing the old filters, pumps. We drained the pools, put in new main drains. We got the pools acid washed. It's been a really good collaboration with contractors, with staff, and facilities to help us get these projects all completed.
When I walked into the facility, it was just a feeling of excitement.
I'm so glad to be back. I can't hardly wait to go get in the water again.
The Natatorium looks fantastic.
It's just a great place to be.
Swimming gives me a feeling of relaxation. I will be coming to the Natatorium. It's one of the best facilities that I have ever seen.